China is experiencing exceptional weather conditions today after two powerful storms struck different regions of the country, leaving behind widespread destruction and fear among residents. The first storm was a dust storm in China that swept across large areas of the country's south, causing poor visibility and difficulty in movement. The second storm was a severe storm in southern China accompanied by strong winds, which toppled trees and buildings and caused power outages. The storm in China became the talk of the media today, described as one of the most severe witnessed by residents in recent years. Local reports spoke of terrifying storms in China and a building being blown away by the force of the winds, a terrifying scene that reflects the severity of the disaster. In southern China, storms continued to cause significant human and material losses, with thousands of families trapped by torrential rains and flooding, while many weak homes collapsed. Experts described the situation as potentially resembling a Chinese typhoon due to the strong winds accompanying the dust storm. The media highlighted what it called the China storm of the day, which swept through cities and towns at an unprecedented speed. Finally, the storms in southern China, and storms in China in general, have revealed the vulnerability of infrastructure to extreme weather events. As climate change continues, experts fear that such disasters will become more severe and frequent.
我操，铁钢炮！我操，浪铁钢炮！我操！哇！